TraxNYC.com, multiple item review. All these pieces are going out to customers just like you watching these videos. These are all TraxNYC factory items. What does that mean? That means we make it in-house, handmade in New York City's Diamond District. So each one of these pieces can be modified, custom made in white, yellow, or rose gold. Diamonds can be added, removed, so on and so forth. Beautifully detailed. Okay, the item numbers are on the top of the tag. Item number 28460. So when you go to TraxNYC.com and you put in the item number, you can look at more pictures, view the detailed photos, detailed information for each particular piece. 2 years to pay it off, no finance charges. You put a small deposit down, and then you can make your payments over 2 years. Once it's paid off, we manufacture the piece for you, ship it to you FedEx overnight or 2-day, 3-day. Signature required. We ship hundreds of packages every single day. Call the office 212-391-3832. Shop with confidence. Add one of these pieces to your collection today.